Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Adam Snow with 𝐂𝐬𝐠 Realty. Thanks for joining me today. Got another great one here. We're in Hoover. This is the Lake Wilburn community. This is the newest development. They've got several houses going in. They're all beautiful. I've had a couple listings in the original part of Lake Wilburn on the other side, but this is the newer part. These are all either just built or in the process of being built. There's still a couple lots for sale as well. This one is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath listed for $650, a little over 2,000. It's like 2,500 square feet. It's beautiful. This really is one of my favorite communities in all of Birmingham and especially Hoover. If you want something new in the 600 range, this is a great area to be. So let's go take a look. Let me know what you think in the comments. So when you first walk in, obviously there's a half bath right here. You've got 2 bedrooms upstairs and 2 bathrooms. Laundry room, obviously the kitchen, living room area is this way. You've got 1 bedroom right off the main entrance. Could be a guest bedroom, could be an office. There's your laundry room space right here. Dining room, and then kitchen. There's 9-foot ceilings throughout. Door goes to your garage and then into the master. Master's pretty good size as well. Beautiful bathroom. Huge soaker tub, double vanity right here. Closet space, and that's your toilet room right there. A loft area, playroom area right here. You've got a bedroom. A walk-in closet right there. Bathroom. Another closet with that's attic access right there. All right, going outside, one of the great things about all of these houses on this side is that you have a wooded backyard. There's nothing ever gonna be built on this side. So the neighbors are up there, but it always will be like that. Like I said, listed for $650. They do have a couple of lots, like that one right there is one that's still a lot for sale right now.